What is up, YouTube? It's Tom from Tech Time, and here at Tech Time we bring you all your tech all the time. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with our weekly content. So what do I have for you guys today? It's something a little bit different. It's not an unboxing, it's not a tech review or anything like that. This is for the YouTube content creators that are out there, particularly on a small level, just getting started. I've been doing it for about 9 months now, give or take. I got a little over 1,000 subscribers, and to me, I'm happy with it. I'm enjoying myself. I'm learning all sorts of new things. I'm meeting all sorts of new people, be that online or in real life, and making type of relationships and stuff like that. And I really enjoy it. It's a great community to be in, especially the tech community. Everybody is, really tight, and there are some people out there that can be assholes, but that's neither here nor there. What I really want to talk to you about today is staying focused. Now, when you first get into the YouTube game, you start making a few videos, you're going to notice that companies reach out to you. If you have any way to reach out to you, if you leave your business email or anything like that, they're going to reach out to you, and you're going to start getting bombarded with emails. And they're going to be for product reviews mostly. Most of these product reviews are going to go like this. They're going to offer you a product, they're going to want to send it to you, and then from there, they're going to want you to review it. Now, this is where things get tricky. Do you want to take the product because you just started and you think it feels great? Yeah, and there are a lot of good products out there that companies will offer that will fit your niche that you're in or whatever you're working with. I'm a tech reviewer, so I like tech products, but I've also had companies reach out to me with face wash, diaper things, and all sorts of other crap out there. Really anything you can think of, I've been reached out to review, and a lot of it's just absolute junk. But the problem was, when I first started, I seen some of these companies reaching out to me, and I thought, wow, this is great. I'm getting free products. I get to review them. It's not that hard. And then what I noticed was I was getting off track. And this wasn't even that long ago. I got off track, and I started reviewing some things that I didn't particularly want on my channel. And I don't know why I did it. I accepted it to get the item, see how it was. And then I had the pressure of these people, that sent me the product, wanting the review super fast. So you get behind on the content that you want to create, and that becomes a problem. I had smartphone reviews that I wanted to put out that I never got to put out. I had software things that I wanted to mention about certain phones, and I never really got to put those out because I was doing these little crap products. Not all of them crap, but some of them were crap, and I should have never reviewed them on my channel. They weren't up to really what I wanted to be reviewing, and I put myself in a situation by accepting the product and then wanted to stay true, because I'm someone that if someone asks me to do something and I say yes, or whatever the case may be, I'm going to stick to it. I'm a man of my word, and I've realized in this world you only have your word, and if you're not a man of it, not much else goes good from there. You got to stick to your word. You got to stick, you got to have some type of respect around you, and you got to have a name that if someone gives you something to do, you follow through with it and you do it. So I went ahead and made the reviews for these companies, and I really, wasn't particularly happy with the way that my channel was going, because like I said, it was deterring me from some things, and it was my own fault, nobody else's fault. These companies reached out to me. I could have said no, but that's where I'm getting to. You're going to have companies reach out to you, and it's going to sound very enticing, get all these products for free, and then you can review them, and you think, wow, that's great, but you're going to want to stick to what you really want to review. I have companies, at least probably 10 to 12 companies every day reaching out to me. I'm only a small YouTuber. I can only imagine at the higher level what it is. It's crazy. So I have a few now case companies and stuff like that I stick to, that are great companies, well-respected companies, that I'm going to keep in my back pocket and use for upcoming phones, stuff like that. Have a good relationship with all their media teams, so that's great. But then I have some other people that reach out to me with some products that I don't really like, and I've been telling them no. Where before I would say, yeah, I'll review it. Now I'm saying no, shutting them down. I have a million people reach out to me for reviews on headphones and this and that. And if I don't think the product is going to either be decent or match kind of like what I'm in the mood for that week, or what I'm trying to, push my channel towards that week, then I'm not going to do it. So that's just a little quick tip that I wanted to give you guys coming up. You're going to have these offers for products, and you're not going to want to jump in anything. If you're a smartphone reviewer, you're not going to want to do a review on men's facial wash. Or if you're a man and you're not going to want to do, women's shampoo, because you're going to have these crazy freaking offers. You're going to have dog pet items when you're not a when you're not a pet person, or you're gonna have, you know, things for the kitchen and cooking when you don't revolve around cooking. So, you know, you're gonna have to really pick and weed out this stuff. Some of them may only want Amazon reviews or whatever the case may be, or reviews on other sites, or whatever it is, and that's a decision you're gonna have to make. But for me, I've definitely pushed back and told a lot of these companies no. And another thing is they can be super, super pushy. They come at you, they send you a thing, and then 2 days later they want the review done when you have a million other things going on. You know, I work a full-time job, I have family, I have all sorts of other things going on, and, you know, I can't jump for a $5 clear case or a wireless charger or a pair of wireless headphones. You know what I'm saying? So I have to do it around my own time. So don't let these companies pressure you into it. In the long run, it's helping them more than it's helping you, because they're getting free marketing out of it. And it's really a situation where, you know, they're probably gaining more than you are. But it does help fuel your YouTube channel when you're smaller, picking the right products, because you're getting them for free. You don't have to spend a whole ton of money on things to review. But just make sure you pick the right things, and don't be scared to say no. That is the main thing that I'm trying to get out of this to you guys. Don't be scared to say no. There's going to be more products coming along. Just because you tell one company no doesn't mean that you're never going to hear from another company, because you will. You're going to hear from tons of companies. Just pick and choose what you want. Don't get off track like I did. I'm trying to reel my company and my channel back online here and keep it smooth sailing. But I did get off track. You know what I'm saying? It's easy to do. So you got to stay focused, and if you want to succeed, because when you start doing, you know, stuff that doesn't relate to your channel, you're gonna screw things up analytically. You know what I'm saying? It's just not good. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to give you that quick bit of information from something that I learned personally. I hope you guys can learn from this too, and not even make the same mistake that I did. But if you do make the same mistake, learn from it and grow. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this type of content or anything else that's on my channel, it's awesome if you hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all the new stuff that I keep dropping for you guys. I hope to catch you guys on the next one, and I'll see you later. Peace.